Hey guys, this is Charu Anand here, your very own teacher for mathematics subject, and today we are going to do two very interesting theorems of the chapter Lines and Angles, and I hope my explanation would help you to understand it better and make mathematics a little more exciting. So let's get started, guys. So we have our very first theorem, which says if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Firstly, before starting this, I would like to clarify on two terms that we use for solving various theorems. First of it is, we have heard of the word axiom, and another word that we follow is theorem. So many students ask me, ma'am, what is the difference between the two of these? Which, students get really confused about this. So first of all, axiom is something which we adopt as a set of rules, because on the basis of this, then we'll be solving various theorems. Right, so it is a set of predefined statements which are being used thereafter, from which we can derive certain theorems. And theorems, as you know, these are the statements which we can directly use for solving all our problems, but then we require a proper proof of it. I hope we are clear with this. So the most important axiom that we used in the chapter Lines and Angles is, if we have two parallel lines and we have a transversal intersecting it, then a pair of corresponding angles are equal. So we have got four set of corresponding angles while the lines are intersecting. So these all sets are equal. So this is what we adopt as an axiom, and on the basis of that we'll solve our theorems. So let's get started. So our first theorem, like I said, is if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So first of all, we must write what is given to us. So what is given? We are given that line M is parallel to line N. As simple as that. Now, since this is given, we are given that L is the transversal. L is the transversal. Guys, I'm so sorry for the handwriting, alright? Please bear with me. Okay, so we know that since the lines are parallel, obviously, I'll just remove this so as not to occupy much of the space. Okay, M is parallel to N. This is first thing which was given. Then we have angle 1 is equals to angle 5, angle 4 is equals to angle 8, and so on, which are the set of corresponding angles, like I said just few minutes back. So now what we require to prove, we have to write this thing. What we require to prove, we need to prove that angle 3 is equals to angle 5, and similarly angle 2 is equals to angle 8, which are the pair of alternate interior angles. So we have, now let's get started with the proof. Alright, so now we know that angle 1 is equals to angle 3. What is the reason for it? See, in geometry especially you should write the reason of each and every statement that you're writing, because that will be good because you have to understand that you are not just explaining it to yourself, you're explaining it to the teacher. Your teacher must understand. You have to take your teacher as a very new person who doesn't know anything, and you are the one explaining everything. So let's get started, and you have to write each and everything on it. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3, and what is the reason for it? It's simple, it's vertically opposite angles, right? But we are given that angle 3 is equals to, we are given that angle 1 is equals to angle 5, which is corresponding angles. So from equation, we have got two equations here. This is the first one and this is the second one. So from equation 1 and equation 2, we say that angle 3 is equals to angle 5, which is the proof that we have. Very simple. Okay, so this is, we have proved that if the transversal intersect two parallel lines, we have got pair of alternate interior angles as equal. Now we will be coming to the converse of it. Now what does converse means? Converse means something is given and something we have proved. Coming to the converse of it, again the other thing is given, we have to prove the first thing. So it is like the ulta pulta thing, the vice versa thing. कुछ दिया है, हमने कुछ प्रूव कर दिया. अब जो प्रूव किया था वो दिया है, then we have to prove the first part, which is simple. So let's go ahead with that. The converse says, अभी उल्टा, if a transversal intersects two lines in such a way that a pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Now we are not given that the lines are parallel. We are given the alternate interior angles are equal. So again, what is given? You have to write what is given first. You are given that angle 3 is equals to angle 5, and you are not given that m is parallel to n. So let's start proof of it. Now we know that angle 1 is equals to angle 3, because anyway the lines are intersect, L and M are intersecting lines. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, which what is the reason for it? Vertically opposite. I'm sorry, it's vertically opposite. Alright, now if you see from equation, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we have angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Now since corresponding angle axiom we have, so the converse of it can also be considered as an axiom. So angle 1 is equals to angle 5, that means we have corresponding angles as equal. So axiom of the converse of corresponding angles will give us that if the corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. Now since we have corresponding angles as equal, so line M is parallel to line N, which is proved. Simple and very easy. Let us get a smiley for this. Okay, so that's all from my side. Now if you have got any doubts on these particular theorems or anything else also, you're free to mail me on my email ID. I'll be really happy to help you out. So my email ID is maths.charu@gmail. Come on, note it down, and I hope you like this video. Please like it, share it with your friends so that they also get the benefit of it, and subscribe my channel, and I promise to keep posting such videos as soon as possible. Thank you guys, take care. Thank you for all the support, all the love. I love you all.